Good morning, guys. Hello, I'm Miss Doris Castillo. Today I will teach you the activity number 9. Okay, we are in the workshop class, grammar workshop class. Here you are going to write information that is required. The topic is simple present tense in affirmative, negative, and interrogative form. Today I will to explain the affirmative form, the simple present in affirmative form or sentences. We are going to use sentences. We are going to do some sentences in affirmative form. Okay, so I will repeat. The topic is simple present tense. Okay, here you have the structure. Here we have the pronouns. Pronouns I, you, we, you, and they. And here the verb is speak. He, she, and it. This is the third person singular. And the verb speak has an S, has an adding, that is the letter S. Como pueden ver aquí, el verbo speak lleva un agregado, una terminación al final que es S. En este caso no lleva terminación S, sino que el verbo está en su estado original, porque con estos pronouns no necesitamos cambiar, agregarle nada al verbo. Just in third person singular, solamente en tercera persona del singular, sí necesitamos hacer un cambio, agregarle en algunos casos S, en la mayoría de los casos de S, y en otros casos ES o IES, okay? In this case, it says, I speak Spanish well. You, we, you, they speak Spanish well. And with the third person singular, he, she, it speaks Spanish well. Okay. And okay, I will read the instructions. Here it says, complete the sentences with a verb from the box. Okay. Here you have the verbs. The verb clean, writes, visit, has, reels, it has the adding s, and here the verb write, it has also the letter s at the end as an adding, okay, que aquí ya viene agregada la s y acá también tiene su agregado s porque lo van a usar en tercera persona, okay. Play is the last verb. Here you have a model or an example. I clean my bedroom every weekend. Here the verb clean, it doesn't change. Si se fijan, el verbo clean aquí no cambia, ¿verdad? No cambia. It doesn't change. El verbo se mantiene. Okay, my father is he. Is third person singular. Is a pronoun that represents a man. My father. Remember that here, my father can be the pronoun he. A man, it's he. A girl may be she. Okay, it represents. She represents a girl and he represents a man. Okay, it represents a thing or an animal. Okay, it, recuerden que representa una cosa o un animal. Ok, y estos otros representan, en este caso, she representa una mujer y he representa un hombre. Ok, okay, my father, I already explained you that my father is like he. Okay, he, you are going to make the change. You are going to choose a verb that has an ending like this, okay? My father, the newspaper every morning. What do we do with a newspaper? ¿Qué hacemos con un newspaper? Un periódico. ¿Qué hacemos? We clean, we write, we visit, we has, we read, we play. Okay, you have to choose what is the best answer here. Choose one of these verbs. Okay, and complete the information with these verbs in the box. Con estos verbos este cuadro, ustedes van a elegir cuál es la respuesta correcta de acuerdo a lo que dice acá. Okay, guys. This is the affirmative form, okay? This is the affirmative form. Affirmative, okay? Here it says affirmative form. Affirmative sentences. Now, in the negative form, here you have, here is a video. There is a video that I will send you later on, okay? Now we have the structure in the negative form. Negative form. Negative form. Sentences in negative form. The structure here, if you, as you can see, you can observe with these pronouns, I, you, we, you, they, we are going to use not, but with the auxiliary do, okay? The auxiliary do plus not, then the verb, and then the complement of the sentence. Okay, this is the structure. I will repeat. Number one in the structure is a pronoun plus, in this case, with these pronouns is do not. Okay, with these third person singular pronouns, we are going to use does not. Okay, he, she, it does not speak Spanish well. I don't or do not speak Spanish well. Here you have the short form and the long form. Aquí tienen ustedes la forma normal y la forma abreviada, la forma corta de usar don't y doesn't. Do not or don't. Does not or doesn't. Okay. Now here you have the sentences. We are going to change these sentences into the negative form. Look at the model. I read the newspaper every morning and in affirmative form. Then you have the example in negative. In negative, we are going to say, I don't read the newspaper every morning. Okay, I don't, do not, okay? Do not or don't read the newspaper every morning. Now here you have the sentences in affirmative and you are going to write it in negative form using this structure and the auxiliaries don't or doesn't. Taking count that with he, she, and it, you are going to use does not or doesn't. Okay, guys, for example, here, I don't go to the movies with Eric. She doesn't, this one, she doesn't study English every day. El verbo study tiene el agregado acá, pero en afirmativo, y en negativo no lo necesita. En la forma negativa solo van a escribir she doesn't study, el verbo original study, no con el agregado is. Solo en afirmativo se usa esta terminación. Y en la negativa sería she doesn't study y el verbo vuelve a su estado original. English every day, okay? Mary and I, two persons, we. Mary and I is like we. We don't or do not play tennis every afternoon, okay? Here, Antonio and Marjorie are from La Lima. There are two persons, Antonio and Marjorie, okay? The pronoun here is the same. They. They are from La Lima. Negative form, you are going to use, I'm going to change the verb here. Come. Anthony and Marjorie come from La Lima, and here you are going to say they, or Antonio and Marjorie, don't come from La Lima. Don't because they, look, they are going to use don't. Okay, now we have here the next sentences that you are going to use the negative form, okay? Now the interrogative. Interrogative form is the third form, okay? La forma número 3 de cómo trabajar el simple present. In this case, you have the structure. Tienen aquí la estructura de cómo hacer las oraciones. Vean. First of all, you are going to write the auxiliary, okay? With this pronoun, you are going to use do you, okay? With all the pronouns except the third person singular, okay? Here, you are going to use she and also it. And here, you are going to use do I, and all the other pronouns. Y todos los demás pronombres que tienen allá arriba, ¿ok? Do you, do we, do they, and the other you. Y el otro you para plural, ¿ok? Do I, do you, do we, do they, do you. Recuerden que tenemos dos veces you porque este you es para usted y este you es para ustedes. ¿Ok? So, this is the structure that you have to follow. Okay, esta estructura es la que tenemos que seguir. When we are going to use does we are going to use it with the pronouns he, she, and it. Estos tres pronouns son los que nos van a hacer cambiar el auxiliary, ok. Con todos estos vamos a usar do y con estos otros vamos a usar does. Does he, does she, does it. Do I, do you, do we, do they, do you speak English in class? Okay, this is the verb of the sentence and this is the complement of the sentence. So here you are going to follow the structure and you are going to write these sentences into interrogative form or question form. Here in the affirmative form, it says you English very well. You English very well. Okay, here you have the pronoun you. Which one we are going to use, do or does? Of course, we are going to use do, okay? Do you, here, do you, look at the example, do you speak English very well? As this example, you are going to complete these other sentences in interrogative form. And here we have another exercises. Change the sentences into questions. Look at the picture. Here in the affirmative form, it says he writes a letter. The correct form that you are going to write the sentence is does because is the pronoun he, okay? Third person singular. Van a usar does, el auxiliar does con el pronombre he, because remember, does, we are going to use it with this third person singular pronouns, with he, she, and it. Okay, guys, here is the answer. Does he write a letter? And the question mark at the end. Y el signo de pregunta al final, porque si no tenemos este question mark, al final no sería pregunta. Okay. Now here you are going to complete do or does. Do or does. Do or does. She do or does at the beginning. Okay. Here you have the structure. Don't forget it. Do and does. And this is all. I finish my video. Thank you so much. God bless you. And I will send you the homework by classroom. Okay, guys? See you. See you guys. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.